Hi, I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here. I appreciate it so much and I'm super excited to share the things with you that I love to do when I have company coming to visit. I love hosting and I love having friends and family come to stay. Before we get started, click the like button and subscribe. Number 1, be sure to get accurate timelines of when your family and friends plan to come and stay. And don't forget to get flight schedules as well. And then if possible, clear your schedule for those dates. Number 2, start to evaluate your guest space. Where are your guests going to stay? And do you have proper bedding and pillows for your guests? This is not a place or time to dump your old bedroom pillows into the guest room. Guests deserve nice pillows that are comfortable and suitable and clean. Number 3, make sure you have hanging space, if possible, or a garment rack for your guests to hang their clothes on. And if not, at least have a luggage rack for them to put their bag or suitcase on. Number 4, consider your towels and washcloths and shower curtain and make sure all of these things are in really good condition. Number 5, be sure to have adequate window coverings, window blinds or curtains, something to block the light out and give your guests privacy. Number 6, if you haven't had company in a while, even if the bedding and towels are clean, it's always a great idea to take them off and wash them again so that they're nice and extra fresh when your company arrives. Number 7, be sure to dust the room, clean windows and mirrors, and make sure you vacuum so that everything is fresh and clean and nothing is dusty. Number 8, decorative pillows are beautiful on beds and they look so nice. However, decorative pillows can be nothing but a nuisance for guests that are coming to visit. They're not sure where to put them or what to do with them, and then every day when they make up the bed, then they're expected to put those pillows up back on the bed somehow, and they're really just in the way. So it's best to not have all of those decorative pillows and just have what the guest room actually really needs. Number 9, if you don't have a ceiling fan in your guest bedroom, it's nice to have a little small plug-in fan that your guests can use if they get a little bit warm. And don't forget to have a blanket or two in case they're a little bit cold. Number 10, inquire ahead of time and find out if your guests have anything that they're allergic to or that they can't eat. And make sure you also ask about foods that they dislike and foods that they really do like. And don't forget to inquire about drinks as well. Number 11, have a basket with some water bottles and some snacks. This way your friends won't have to come and ask you when they want something to drink or if they just want a little snack. Number 12, most people use their phones these days for alarm clocks. However, if you happen to have an extra alarm clock that you could put in the guest room, that would be a great idea, especially if you have an older guest coming to visit. They don't always use their alarm clocks on their phones. Number 13, have a basket or set aside a drawer that you can put hygiene products in. Q-tips, Band-Aids, maybe a disposable razor, some deodorant, some soft soap, shampoo, conditioner, toothbrush, toothpaste, any of these things that you can have for your guests in case they've forgotten something. This way they don't have to come and ask you for it or make a trip to a store to buy something that they're missing on their trip. Number 14, having a trash can in a bathroom or in a guest area is a really great convenience for them so that they can easily throw away anything that they want to dispose of. Number 15, a disposable laundry bag or a clean trash bag is always a great idea to leave for your guests, and that way they can put all of their dirty laundry in it and easily put it back in their suitcase to take home with them. And now on to number 16, tissues and toilet tissue. This is definitely something you don't want to let your guests run out of. You do not want to leave them stranded or have them to have to come and find you and ask for more. Just have a nice suitable supply handy so that they can easily find it when they need it. I'm so happy you're here. I had so much fun putting together this video with these suggestions and ideas for guests coming to visit. I would appreciate it so much if you hit the like button and subscribe, and be sure to come back, and I'll see you next time.